I used to think that a drum was a pail with a lid on it. I used to think if a tree fell in the forest, its life was over. But then I met a team of makers pushing back the edge of what was, to discover what could be.
One innovation spawns another. Don Lombardi and I would sit in a room, and we'd put a cymbal stand right there. We're not leaving this room till we fix what's wrong with this thing.
If you're into something and you're passionate about something, it doesn't turn off. There's no off switch.
John is like obsessed to the same level as an artist would be about the music. He's obsessed with the sound of the drums.
The only crazy part is I got an idea and I got to see it next week. And I don't know how you're going to do it. And I got an idea and let me see what you come up with. And I'm leaving at 2 o'clock.
It's this refined, incredibly well-engineered, pristine instrument. And then there's this earthy, visceral, rough tree that's just naturally planted in the ground.
The science of making drum, there's so much to know.
Every piece of wood has a musical note.
Whoa.
Lo and behold, Neil Peart was coming into town. I said, Neil, check out this kit. He said, I really would like to use that kit for the tour. It's a Rush last 40th anniversary tour. And Don goes, and we should have it at the NAMM show. And then Neil said, you can do that? Great. I panicked and everyone's high-fiving each other except me. I'm like dying 1,000 deaths.
And he actually plays 2 different 15s, so you have to make these 2 15s sound different. It's absolutely crazy how big that drum set was going to be.
I thought to myself, I'm actually going to be seeing this on stage. And I'll be sitting there saying, I tuned that kit.
What could be more transcendent than a musical instrument, right? Yeah, they call it 1,500 years in the making. I call it monster from the deep.
What do you consider to be success? You know, is it a doctor or a lawyer? Is it a man who wants to work with his hands? The joy of making things, making something from nothing. The fulfillment you get from that is second to none.